You're not poor because the economy sucks. You're poor because you've made peace with being broke, and that comfort zone is going to kill your future. Listen, I'm about to destroy 3 lies you tell yourself every single day about money. And if you can't handle the truth, click away now, because I'm not here to coddle your feelings or tell you what you want to hear. Most people will watch this video, nod along, and then go back to doing exactly what got them broke in the first place. Don't be most people. Ruthless money shift. Priority 1. Stop buying time. You don't have. You're scrolling through your bank account wondering where your money went while sipping a $7 coffee and paying for Netflix, Spotify, Disney+, Amazon Prime, HBO Max, and 3 other subscriptions you barely use. Here's your first brutal wake-up call. Poor people buy conveniences. Rich people buy assets. That daily coffee? That's $2,555 a year. Your streaming services? Another $800 annually. Your DoorDash habit because you're too tired to cook? We're talking $3,000 to $5,000 more. Your monthly car wash subscription? $240 a year. That gym membership you use twice a month? $600 annually. Add it up. You're spending over $7,000 a year on pure convenience. That's more than most people have in their emergency fund. You're literally paying money to stay lazy, and then wondering why you're broke. But here's the part that'll really mess with your head. You're not just spending that money. You're losing the opportunity for that money to grow. That $7,000 invested annually at 8% return becomes $95,000 in 10 years. You're not just buying coffee, you're buying poverty. Every dollar you spend on convenience is a dollar that could be working for you. But instead, you're funding other people's wealth while you stay exactly where you are. Stop telling yourself you deserve these little luxuries. You deserve to be financially free, but you can't have both the comfort and the cash. That's not how math works. Rich people understand delayed gratification. Poor people want everything now and wonder why they have nothing later. Ruthless money shift. Number 2. Your job is not your income. This one's going to hurt, but somebody has to say it. If you're still thinking your job is your only source of income, you're thinking like a poor person. Your boss doesn't care about your financial dreams. Your company will replace you tomorrow if it benefits their bottom line. Yet, you're sitting there, comfortable, thinking that 9-to-5 paycheck is going to change your life. It won't. Here's what rich people know that you don't. They never depend on one income stream. Never. The average millionaire has 7 different income sources. You have one, and you think you're playing the same game. While you're watching Netflix after work, they're building side businesses. While you're scrolling TikTok, they're learning skills that pay $100 an hour. While you're complaining about not having enough money, they're creating solutions people will pay for. While you're waiting for a raise that might never come, they're creating their own raises every single month. Your job should be funding your real income sources, not being your only lifeline. You have the same 24 hours as everyone else. Stop pretending you don't have time to build something on the side. You have time to scroll social media for 3 hours a day, but no time to build your future? You have time to binge watch entire seasons, but no time to learn a marketable skill? That's not a time problem. That's a priority problem. The harsh reality? Your coworkers who are still broke in 5 years will be the ones who went home every day and did nothing to change their situation. Don't be your future coworker. Ruthless money shift. Number 3. Stop buying stuff to feel rich. This is the big one. The one that's keeping you trapped in a cycle you don't even realize you're in. You're broke because you keep trying to look rich instead of being rich. That new iPhone when your current one works perfectly? That's $200 you don't have, paid for with money you'll be earning next year. Those designer clothes you bought to invest in yourself. You're investing in someone else's profit margins, not your future. That car payment that's eating 20% of your income? You're paying premium prices to impress people at red lights who forget about you in 30 seconds. Here's the harsh truth nobody wants to hear. Rich people drive 10-year-old Toyotas and wear the same jeans for years while building their wealth. Poor people drive brand-new BMWs and wear different designer outfits while building their debt. You're literally choosing to look successful over being successful. Warren Buffett drives a 2014 Cadillac. Mark Zuckerberg wears the same gray t-shirt every day. Meanwhile, you're stressed about making rent, but just bought $300 sneakers because they were on sale. Every time you buy something to impress people who don't care about you, you're choosing their opinion over your financial freedom. And those people you're trying to impress, half of them are broke too, just better at hiding it behind credit card debt and car payments. Stop buying your identity from a store. Your worth isn't determined by what you own. It's determined by what you build, what you create, what you contribute. The people who judge you for driving an older car or wearing basic clothes are the same people who will be asking you for money when you're financially free and they're still broke. The reality check you need. These 3 shifts aren't just about money. They're about rewiring your brain to think like someone who wins instead of someone who wishes. You can keep making excuses about why you can't change these habits. You can keep telling yourself you're different, that your situation is special, that these rules don't apply to you because you have student loans, or kids, or whatever story you're telling yourself. Or you can wake up and realize that every single wealthy person you admire made these exact same choices, often while facing worse circumstances than you're facing right now. They stopped buying convenience and started buying their time back. They stopped depending on someone else's paycheck and started creating their own. They stopped trying to look rich and started actually building wealth. The difference between you and them isn't luck, connections, or some special advantage. It's choices. Daily choices. Boring choices that compound over time. Your move, you have 2 choices right now. Choice 1. Close this video, go back to your old habits, tell yourself you'll start tomorrow, and wonder why nothing changes in 6 months when you're in the exact same financial position. Choice 2. Pick one of these 3 shifts and implement it today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Not when you get your next paycheck. Today. Cancel 3 subscriptions you don't absolutely need right now. Spend 1 hour tonight learning a skill that could make you money instead of watching TV. Put down that thing you were about to buy just because you want it, and put that money into an investment account instead. The difference between where you are and where you want to be isn't complicated. It's not some secret strategy or magical system that gurus want to sell you. It's these 3 shifts, applied consistently, while everyone else is making excuses and waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. Stop being everyone else. Start being the person your future self needs you to be.